Hey Fit Fam, it's Connor. Welcome back to Form and the Punch Series. Today we're going to go over head hooks. Look like this. Alright, let's break down that head hook for you. One thing I do want you to remember is that it's going to be the same as a body hook. We're going to use the body to throw the punch and not the arm. Alright, when I demo it, we're going to break down into two steps. Alright, we're going to keep that 90-degree angle, but I want you to bring it up to shoulder height. How everything is on the same surface, that same plane, that's how we want to hit the bag too. We want to rotate our body, again, using the body to throw the punch, and my arm is not moving at all, and just rotating into that bag. Alright, once we start to get comfortable with that form, the elbow isn't going to come up right away and then pivot in. I want you to bring that elbow up as you connect with the bag. Boom, just like that, bringing the elbow up right before that. One thing I want you to remember is that head hook, you're hitting at the head and shoulder height of your opponent. In this case, it's the bag, but still pivoting and rotating, making sure everything's on the same level here, but bringing that elbow up just at the end. All right, Fit Fam, one thing I do want to make sure is that you know the difference between a body hook and a head hook. All right, so that body hook, the thumb is up. Remember, we don't want to spill that drink. We want to keep that thumb up all the way until we connect with that bag. When we're doing that head hook, we got to remember to turn that palm down and connect at that head height. All right, that's the biggest difference, is making sure that we're not trying to throw body hooks with our palm down. We're keeping that thumb up, but when we're throwing a head hook, always keep that palm down when you're in that fight stance position. Arm lengths away, keeping that wrist facing down. And remember, always lead with those two big knuckles. That's important. Keeps the arm straight and it prevents injury. So always rotating into that bag, keeping the palm facing down. Thanks for watching Form Punch Series. That was head hooks. We'll see you in class.